Hey guys! So, have you ever wanted to talk about things you used to do but don't anymore? Or maybe describe how something was before it changed? Well, today we're talking about used to, which is honestly one of the easiest ways to talk about the past. Let's break it down. Alright, so used to is something we say when we're talking about the past. Things that were true before but aren't anymore. And there are basically two ways we use it. Past habits. Stuff you did regularly in the past but don't do now. Past situations or states. Things that were true before but have changed. Okay, so if you did something a lot in the past but not anymore, you'd say, I used to play basketball every weekend. My dad used to smoke, but he quit. See? Super easy. If it was a habit before, but it's not anymore, just use used to. Now, what if you're talking about something that was just true before, but isn't anymore? You also use used to. She used to be shy, but now she's super confident. This building used to be a movie theater, but now it's a supermarket. So if something was a certain way before, but it's different now, you say used to. Alright, so using used to is pretty simple. You just say used to plus base verb. He used to wake up early. We used to go camping a lot. This place used to be a park. But I used to went there. That's wrong. I used to go there. Basically, don't put the verb in the past tense after used to. Just keep it simple. Now, if you want to ask someone about their past habits, it's really easy. Just say, did you used to plus verb like this? Did you used to watch cartoons when you were a kid? Did she used to live here? Notice how we say, did you used to, and not did you used to, because the word did already makes it past tense. Okay, and if you want to say you didn't do something in the past, just say, I didn't used to like vegetables. They didn't used to study a lot. Again, didn't used to, not didn't used to. No extra D in negative sentences. All right, one last thing. Sometimes people use would to talk about past habits. And yeah, that works in some cases. When I was a kid, I used to play outside all day. When I was a kid, I would play outside all day. Both of these are fine, but you can't use would for past states. I used to be shy. That's correct. I would be shy. Nope, that sounds weird. All right, now it's time for you to practice. Let me know in the comments. What's something you used to do when you were younger but don't do anymore? What's something that used to be different in your town or city? Drop your answers in the comments. And that's it. Now you know how to use used to talk about past habits and situations. Pretty easy, right? If this lesson helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss an easy peasy English lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!